Hello and welcome to this Concrete Canvas Toolbox talk. In this short video I'm going to explain what concrete canvas materials are, what they're typically used for, and the 4 key installation principles needed to follow to make sure you have a successful and safe installation. Concrete Canvas Limited is a material manufacturing company based in the UK and has been inventing and developing new types of innovative technologies for over 2 decades. Our core material technologies supply a unique construction solution that is very fast, easy to install and environmentally friendly. Our products are sold in over 100 countries worldwide across multiple sectors, including road, rail, petrochemical, utilities, councils and mining, and have many notable clients such as Network Rail, BP, Rio Tinto, among many others globally. So what exactly is concrete canvas? Concrete canvas is part of a revolutionary class of construction materials called Geosynthetic Cementitious Composite Mats, or GCCMs for short, and they are designed to replace traditional concrete for hard armoured erosion control applications. Concrete canvas materials are flexible concrete impregnated geotextile that harden upon hydration to form a lower carbon, fibre reinforced concrete layer. Concrete canvas comes in roll format and a variety of thicknesses to suit your application. You simply unroll, fix into place, spray with water. It's literally concrete on a roll. The material combines the speed and ease of installation of plastic membranes with the inherent strength and durability of traditional forms of concrete. There are 3 different products available from Concrete Canvas Limited, and they are all based on the same core material technology. On the top surface, you have a layer of hydrophilic synthetic fibres. These are tight enough to stop cement loss, but help wick water into the material to aid with hydration. This surface is always laid face up. You then have a 3D matrix of synthetic fixed fibres running through the material, which is filled with our proprietary cement blends. The fibre matrix maintains a uniform density even when the materials are placed on the vertical. We use a variety of high early strength gain cement blends which have a working time of between 30 minutes and 2 hours depending on the product. Finally, on the rear surface, you have a waterproof plastic membrane, either PVC or LLDPE, which is always installed face down in contact with the subgrade. Concrete canvas products have been designed for a number of core applications. These include channel lining, slope protection, remediation, secondary containment bund lining, culvert repair, and weed suppression. There are 3 main types of concrete canvas material available in different formats to best suit your project. Our products are available in either concrete canvas in the form of T-Series or CC Hydro and CCX. Concrete canvas is available in 3 thicknesses, 5mm, 7mm and 11mm, and as standard are either 1 or 1.1 metres wide. These are referred to as CCT1, CCT2 or CCT3 and correspond directly with the ASTM D8364 Type 1, Type 2 and Type 3 GCCMs. Concrete canvas materials are available in larger bulk rolls or smaller portable batch rolls, which are ideally suited for when access to site is limited or machinery is restricted. The concrete canvas material is very flexible and is suitable for lining assets which have a non-uniform profile or uneven surfaces. CC Hydro is our containment variant of concrete canvas and has an additional 1.2mm thick scrim reinforced PVC backing layer. It's commonly used for secondary containment of liquids and chemicals and is available in either CCH-T1 or CCH-T2 variants. CCX is our latest development, which is a Type 2 GCCM and is 10mm thick and is wider as standard at 1.9 metres wide. It's more suitable for assets such as larger channels or canals that have a more uniformed profile. Please get in contact with your local Concrete Canvas technical representative or sales partner for further information on all of the products we manufacture and which is best suitable for your project.